Parang instant agad. Aray ko naman dito. Eto, kailangan ko matamaan. Shims. Kailangan matamaan. Aray ko naman talaga. So, balloons muna. Dragons. Sprinkle, sprinkle lang. Sprinkle, sprinkle attack. Kasi, ayan. Pwede ko na i-drop yung blimp. Ability ng Warden. Rage. Bomb. Ay, bomb. Cologne.
Don't talk too much, just listen this way. I get it, but I'm not something acidic. Don't think, just sip it. Don't start some shit you can't finish. This way, stay with it. Then I just smile at you.
Yo, I think she's kind of feeling. I mean, we locked eyes.
Yung equipment ko dito, yung bagong Chicken Joy ni RC Bossing. So yung, kung familiar ka dun sa Chicken Joy niya. Yun yung ko. Yun yung equipment ko dito. So yun kahit swag na natin tong apat na swag pa ka ng apat na Invigor. Diba, sabi ko niya, solid na attack na to. Invento ko to. Ay, may Yobels, thank you for the follow. Invento ko na medyo magulo. Pero, doable naman pag na-practice mo. Pagka medyo na siya, na-practice mo sa loots.